Unit 24, Part B, Activity 3A. Somnang is asking Kasal to accompany his American friend who's in Siem Reap for the first time. Listen to their conversation. Answer the questions.
Andy, this is my son, Kosal. Kosal, this is my friend, Andy, who I told you about. Today, Kosal's free and he wants to help show you around so he can practice his English.
Hello, Andy. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Kosal. It's lovely to meet you, and thank you so much for keeping me company today. I'm sure we'll have a great time.
No problem. I'm excited as well.
I'm really sorry that I can't drive you guys around today, as I have an important work event to attend. I've already booked a tuk-tuk to take you around for the whole day. Oh, the tuk-tuk is here. Have fun and call me if there's any problem.
Thank you for arranging everything, Somnang. Have a good day, and I'll see you at dinner. So, Kosal, I've heard from your dad that you also go to a football club. How awesome! Can you tell me how often you have your football practice?
I only have time to go to the football club once a week on the weekend. Andy, I know you are from America, but would you mind telling me which state you are from?
Oh no, not at all. I'm from Hawaii. Do you know where it is in the States?
I do. Hawaii is a group of islands in the Pacific, am I right? I've seen it in movies before. It's got beautiful mountains and beaches.
Yes, you're correct. By the way, Kosal, where are we headed to now?
We are going to Prasat Angkor Wat now, and we will spend some time there until lunch. You've got so much to see.
I've heard many great and amazing things about Angkor Wat. I can't believe I finally get to see it now. Can you tell me when Angkor Wat was built?
Based on our history lesson, the construction of Angkor Wat was started in the early 12th century. It was in the era of King Suryavarman II. Angkor Wat is the pride of Cambodia.
I'm sure it is a national treasure. I know the foreign visitors have to buy a pass before going. Do you have any idea how much it costs?
You do need to get a ticket. There are options and the prices vary. I'm sorry, but I don't know how much each option is. But don't worry. We will stop at the ticket center on the way. We will see 3 temples today, so I think it's best if you get the one-day pass.
That sounds good. And yes, I'll get the one-day pass then.
Oh, here we are. This is the ticket center. Let's go and get your ticket.